Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today I will discuss some more MCQs with the answers. Question number 1. Best time for collection of blood for malaria. Option A, before and after paroxysm. Option B, shortly after paroxysm. Option C, later paroxysm. And option D, just before paroxysm. Question number 2. In folic acid deficiency, what happens in RBC? Option A, enlarged RBC. Option B, crenated RBC. Option C, hemolyzed RBC. And option D, none of these. Question number 3. In iron deficiency anemia, option A, RBCs are smaller than normal. Option B, RBCs are larger than normal. Option C, RBCs are deformed. And option D, no alteration in RBC. Question number 4. The malarial sporozoite in man invades option A, white blood cell, option B, red blood cell, option C, reticuloendothelial cells, and option D, all of these. Next question, question number 5. Hemophilia man married to normal woman. The incidence of his children, option A, carrier male, option B, diseased female, option C, carrier female, and option D, none of these. Next question. Sodium is responsible for option A, blood coagulation, option B, salt intake, option C, cardiac muscle contraction, and option D, osmotic pressure of body fluid. Next question. Staining of RBC with deficiency of G6PD, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, will show the presence of dash in blood smear. Option A, Plasmodium species, option B, Henge bodies, option C, spherocytes, and option D, none of these. Question number 8. Acetazolamide is inhibitor of which enzyme? Option A, carbonic anhydrase, option B, cyclooxygenase, option C, ligase, option D, xanthine oxidase. Question number 9. The synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate precursor takes place in option A, glycogenolysis, option B, gluconeogenesis, option C, pentose phosphate pathway, option D, TCA cycle. Question number 10. Ketosis is most commonly found in option A, malaria, option B, pneumonia, option C, viral influenza, and option D, diabetes mellitus. Question number 11. The main protein of connective tissue is option A, myosin, option B, collagen, option C, keratin, and option D, melanin. Next question. Question number 12. The major cation found in extracellular fluid is option A, sodium, option B, potassium, option C, bicarbonate, option D, chloride. Question number 13. When an erythrocyte containing iron granules is stained with Prussian blue, the cell is called option A, spherocyte, option B, leptocyte, option C, siderocyte, and option D, none of the above. Question number 14. A flotation method for the concentration of ova and cyst used option A, ammonium sulfate, option B, zinc sulfate, option C, zinc chloride, and option D, sodium chloride. Question number 15. When performing automated cell counts, most automated cell counted instruments option A, do not count nucleated RBC, option B, count nucleated RBC with platelets, option C, count nucleated RBCs with WBCs, and option D, count nucleated RBCs with erythrocytes. Question number 16. What phagocytic cells produce lysozyme that are bactericidal? Options are option A, eosinophil, option B, neutrophil, option C, lymphocyte, and option D, basophil. Question number 17. Fibrinogen determination are performed on option A, any body fluid, option B, serum, option C, plasma, and option D, both B and C. That means both serum and plasma. Question number 18. Unconjugated bilirubin is also known as option A, prehepatic bilirubin, option B, direct bilirubin, option C, hepatic bilirubin, and option D, none of the above. Question number 19. Which one of the following method could be used to study protein abnormality? Option A, immunoprecipitation. Option B, electrophoresis. Option C, PCR. And option D, RT-PCR or real-time PCR. Question number 20. What are the advantages of EDTA? Option A, preserves cellular degradation. Option B, prevents clotting. Option C, prevents platelet clumping. Option D, all of the above. Now I will discuss the answers of the questions. Question number 1. Best time for collection of blood for malaria. Correct answer is option B, shortly after paroxysm. Question number 2. In folic acid deficiency, what happens in RBC? It will be enlarged. That is called megaloblastic anemia. In folic acid deficiency, megaloblastic anemia occurs. Question number 3. In iron deficiency anemia, it is known as microcytic anemia. So the correct option is A. RBCs are smaller than normal. Question number 4. The malarial sporozoite in man invades. Correct answer is option B, red blood cells. Question number 5. Hemophilia man married to normal woman. The incidence of his children. Correct answer is option C, carrier female. Question number 6. Sodium is responsible for. Correct answer is option D, osmotic pressure of body fluid. Question number 7. Staining of RBC with deficiency of G6PD will show the presence of option B, Hench body. Question number 8. Acetazolamide is inhibitor of which enzyme? Correct answer is option A, carbonic anhydrase. Question number 9. The synthesis of glucose from a non-carbohydrate precursor takes place in. Right answer is option B, gluconeogenesis. Ketosis is most commonly found in option D, diabetes mellitus. Question number 11. The main protein of connective tissue is option A, myosin. Question number 12. The major cation found in extracellular fluid. Right answer is option A, sodium. Question number 13. When an erythrocyte containing iron granules stained with Prussian blue, the cell is called. Right answer is option C, siderocyte. Question number 14. A flotation method for the concentration of ova and cyst used. Right answer is option B, zinc sulfate. Question number 15. When performing automated cell counts, most automated cell counted instruments. Right answer is option C, count nucleated RBCs with WBCs. Question number 16. What phagocytic cells produce lysozyme that are bactericidal? Right answer is option B, neutrophil. Question number 17. Fibrinogen determination are performed on. Right answer is option C, plasma. Question number 18. Unconjugated bilirubin is also known as prehepatic bilirubin. Question number 19. Which one of the following method could be used to study protein abnormality? Right answer is option B, electrophoresis. Question number 20. What are the advantages of EDTA? All. Right answer is option D, all of the above. This is the end of today's session. Thank you.